Hi, Marty here from freshOps. So today we're going to go through the basic check-in and out process with a basic task completion on the Android app. So here you can see our list of jobs upcoming. We want to scroll through and find the visit and site that corresponds to where we're about to check in. If we click on that visit, that goes into the visit detail itself, and the check-in button down the bottom allows us to scan or tap that freshOps tag to check into site. Once we've checked in, we can scroll on the page and go to the top and see all our site notes and security details and a link to any induction documents. As we complete work, we would ideally mark tasks off as we complete them. If we got any problems with any specific task, we couldn't complete it or needed to report something, we can leave a comment by clicking the comment icon here and simply hit submit. As we continue to mark tasks off, we may actually be prompted to take a photo verification. Take a photo of that coffee machine, press the OK button, and that'll instantly upload that photo verification. As we mark tasks off, we complete our shift, and at the end, we should leave a cleaning report to report any issues we've had on site. If there's nothing to report, a simple done or thank you will suffice. And then check out in exactly the same method as checking in.